Hello everyone, myself Anjali. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to give presentation on the topic of waste disposal options and selection criteria based on the type of waste. Introduction. Disposal options for waste vary based on the type of waste. Common methods include landfill disposal, recycling, composting, and incineration. Selection criteria depends on factors like waste composition, environmental impact, cost effectiveness, and regulatory requirements. It's crucial to assess each waste type individually to determine the most appropriate disposal method for sustainability and compliances. Disposal options are landfilling disposal, recycling, composting, incineration, and waste to energy. Selection criterias. Criterias are composition, environmental impact, recyclability, hazard level, and cost effectiveness. Firstly, we are going to study about landfilling disposal. Landfilling disposal is a common waste management method where solid waste is buried in designated areas. It can have environmental impacts, so efforts to reduce, reuse, and recycle are encouraged to minimize waste generation. Next one is recycling. Recycling of waste. Here we are studying about recycling of plastic. Plastic recycling involves collecting, processing, and reusing plastic materials to create new products. It helps reduce the environmental impact of plastic waste. Commonly recycled plastic include PET. It means polyethylene terephthalate, and HDPE. It means high density polythene. However, challenges like contamination and limited recycling infrastructure need to be addressed for more effective plastic recycling. Now, third one is composting. Composting is a natural process where organic materials like kitchen scraps and yard waste decompose to nutrient rich soil conditioner. Microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi break down the organic matter through aerobic means with oxygen aerobic decomposition. This process requires right balance of green and brown materials, moisture, and aeration. Here green materials refers nitrogen rich materials and brown materials refers carbon rich materials. Over time, the composting pile or bin transforms into nutrient dense compost, which can be used to improve soil fertility and structure in gardening and agriculture. Waste to energy incineration. Waste to energy incineration is a process where solid waste is burned at high temperatures to generate electricity or heat. The heat produced during incineration is used to create steam, which then drives turbines to produce electricity. This method reduces the volume of waste and can generate energy, but it also raises environmental concerns due to air emissions and potential releases of pollutants. Proper emission control technologies are crucial to minimize environmental impact of waste to energy facility. And now the last one is incineration. Incineration is like a controlled fire for waste. First, waste is collected and prepared. Then, it's burned at high temperatures, turning it into ash. The heat produced is often used to make electricity. Special filters are used to clean the smoke before it's released. Finally, the remaining ash is handled according to the rules to minimize environmental impact. And now the Selection criteria. Selection criteria are composition, environmental impact, recyclability, hazard level, and cost effectiveness. First one, composition. Composition of waste varies, including organic materials like food scraps, paper, plastics, glass, and metals. Addressing waste management involves understanding these components for effective recycling and disposal method. And second one, environmental impact. Waste has significant environmental impacts. Improper disposal leads to pollution, harm to ecosystems, and depletion of natural resources. Adopting sustainable waste management practices such as recycling and reducing single use items it is crucial for minimizing these adverse effects and promoting a healthier environment. Third one is recyclability. Recycling, recover, and dispose. Recyclability depends on the material. Many items like paper, glass, and certain plastics and metals are recyclable. However, challenge exists with some plastic and mixed materials. Proper sorting and awareness are essential to maximize recyclability and reduce the environmental burden of non-recyclable waste. Some waste are recyclable and some are not recyclable. Fourth one is hazard level. Hazard level. Solid waste can have varying hazard levels. While some waste like household items may pose minimal risks, others and such as hazardous or medical waste. Waste is also a hazardous waste, can be highly dangerous. Some examples are like computers, mobile phones. These devices are also called devices. Proper disposal and management practices are crucial to mitigate potential health and environmental risks associated with hazard solid waste. These hazard solid waste um, radiates the radiates harmful radiations. Cost effectiveness. The cost effectiveness of waste management depends on various factors, including the regulatory frameworks. Investing in efficient waste reduction, recycling programs, and innovative technologies can lead to long term cost savings by minimizing disposal expenses and promoting a more sustainable approach to waste management. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.